The situation in Afghanistan occupied a lot of our attention because it has a direct implication for regional security. We believe that the immediate need of the day is really a reduction in violence, and if you have to see peace within Afghanistan and around Afghanistan, that's important for India and Russia to work together to ensure that much of the progress that we have seen in economic and social and democratic terms are maintained. We are both committed to an independent, sovereign, united and democratic Afghanistan. Yes, of course, we are concerned at the direction of events in Afghanistan. We stress is that we must see a reduction in violence. Violence cannot be the solution for the situation in Afghanistan. And at the end of the day, who governs Afghanistan has a legitimacy aspect to it. I think that is something which cannot and should not be ignored.
In the current financial year 2021, we have awarded 1,681 kilometers of highways and constructed 2,284 kilometers till June 2021. My aim is to construct 60,000 kilometers of world-class national highway by 2024 at the rate of 40 kilometers per day. Recently, we have made 3 world records. The national highway construction rate is now 37 kilometers per day despite COVID, and which is highest ever in the world. Our Indian construction firm made a world record by construction a 2.5 kilometer long 4-lane cement concrete road section near Vadodara of Delhi-Mumbai Expressway just in 24 hours. In the same line, there is a record of laying down of 26 kilometer long single-lane bitumen road of Solapur-Bijapur section of NH 52 just in 21 hours. We have launched the Bharatmala Pariyojana project, which invests the development of 34,800 kilometers of highways around rupees 10 lakh crore, that is around 125 billion US dollar.
Lambda variant is a variant of concern, variant of interest, which has originally been detected in Peru. It has spread to, and there it has been somewhat dominant in their pandemic. It has spread to Europe. It has been detected in some other countries as well. As I said, it is a variant of interest. That means its total significance is still being explored. And as far as we know, this has not entered our country. We have not detected this variant in our country. Our surveillance system, a very effective INSACOG surveillance system, will detect it should it happen to come into our country, because when you do sequencing, then all this will be picked up. So we should watch for that space in terms of how this or any other variant for that matter would appear. As I said, it is a variant of interest. That means its public health significance is being watched, but it has not been proven for excessive transmissibility or for impact on excess severity or any other public health issues such as issues related to vaccine, etc. We should be watchful for these variants because the virus is under pressure the world over, and when the virus goes under pressure, then it tends to pick up characteristics which help in survival and so on. So that's an evolutionary process. But as of now, yes, we should be watching such variants for their presence in our country. But as of now, we have no evidence that this has been detected in any part of our country. Guidelines for administering vaccine to pregnant women have been issued. These guidelines have been concluded after deep discussions, evaluation of scientific data, and the scientific data is now totally in favor of pregnant women receiving vaccine. The three vaccines that we have are entitled to be used in pregnant women. We cannot lower our guard. अपने देश में भी हमें सजग रहना है, लापरवाही नहीं बरतनी है। और उसी से क्यू लेते हुए अगर हम अपने देश की तरफ वापस आते हैं तो देखते हैं कि कई जगह पे अब खुलेआम लापरवाही हो रही है। लापरवाही हो रही है शहरों में, मार्केट्स में, छोटे शहरों में, बड़े शहरों में, और लापरवाही हमारे जो पर्यटन स्थल हैं, टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशंस हैं, वहाँ पे खास तरह से, क्योंकि बहुत लोग बाहर से आके वहाँ पहुँचे हैं और रिलैक्स करने के लिए पहुँचे हैं, एक और रिलैक्सेशन का माहौल होता है, रिक्रिएशन का माहौल होता है, तो उसमें हमें ये जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके साथ साझा की गई और आप जान भी रहे हैं, पर्टिकुलरली एक नया रिस्क वहाँ दिखाई दे रहा है। और इस तरह से मिक्स एंड मिंगलिंग होगी, इस तरह से दूरी घटेगी, तो वायरस के लिए एक से दूसरे से चौथे पे पहुंचना आसान हो रहा है। This is a cause for concern. We want to place on record serious cause of concern because of the visuals that are being witnessed, where crowds are mingling, social distancing is not being maintained, masks are not being worn, and this has been highlighted in no less a place as the cabinet meeting taken by the Honorable Prime Minister yesterday.
Despite the fact that so many things are changing in our world, both before and as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, our time-tested and trust-based relationship is very much not just in place, but remains very strong, continues to grow. And we are seeing that in different ways, and I would like to, right at the start, express my appreciation for the support we got from Russia during the second wave of the COVID pandemic this year. There were 4 consignments which were flown in on a very expedited basis by the Russian government. And of course, as you've also heard, now India has become a partner of Russia in the production and use of the Sputnik V vaccine. And we believe that this is not only good for the two of us, but it has positive implications for the rest of the world. Overall, our sense of economic cooperation and science and technology cooperation was very positive. In terms of regional and global issues, India is poised to hold the presidency of the Security Council in August.
पहला फेज़ था मानसून का, जिसमें मानसून की जो प्रोग्रेस है बहुत तेज़ी से हुई और उस प्रोग्रेस में सारे पहाड़ी राज्य नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया में जो पड़ते हैं, साथ ही साथ जो वेस्ट यूपी उसका ज़्यादातर हिस्सा, नॉर्थ हरियाणा और नॉर्थ पंजाब तक मानसून पहुंच चुका था। उसके बीच में मानसून बहुत स्लो हो गया और उसके बाद एक बार फिर से कल से हम देख रहे हैं कि जो रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी है वो जहां मानसून नहीं पहुंचा था वहां भी, और नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया के जो बाकी भाग हैं, खासतौर से जो उत्तराखंड है, हिमाचल प्रदेश है, यूपी है, यहाँ कल से बरसात बढ़ने लगी है। एनसीआर अगर दिल्ली की बात करें तो दिल्ली में भी कई जगह लाइट रेन कल रिसीव हुई है। तो अभी का जो एनालिसिस है उससे हमको लग रहा है कि सबसे पहले मैं बरसात की बताना चाहूँगा कि आज से ही थोड़ी थोड़ी बरसात इंक्रीज होगी और जो ख़ास तौर से 10, 11, 12 तारीख में काफ़ी अच्छी बरसात नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया में देखने को मिलेगी। तो उसी के चलते हुए हमको उम्मीद है कि अगले 24 घंटे में एनसीआर दिल्ली में भी मानसून का आगमन हो जाएगा और अच्छी बरसात ऑनसेट के साथ साथ में देखने को एनसीआर रीजन में मिलेगी। देखिए, ये तो हमारा जो सीजन है पूरे देश के लिए कहें तो कहीं ये 4 महीना के लिए प्रिवेल करता है, कहीं 3.5 महीना के लिए, कहीं 3 महीना के लिए। अगर एनसीआर हम दिल्ली की बात करें तो दिल्ली में अमूमन जो मानसून है ये जुलाई के फर्स्ट वीक में जनरली ऑनसेट होता है या जून के एंड में, और ये लगभग मिड ऑफ सितंबर तक मानसून चलता है, तो इतना पीरियड रहता है। कुल मिला के अगर हम बात करें तो अभी अगर 4-5 दिन की हम बात करें तो 4-5 दिन अगले बरसात बढ़ेगी और नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया के तमाम एरियाओं में और एनसीआर दिल्ली में भी अच्छी बरसात रहेगी।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.